In this video, I will show you how to offer free shipping on eBay as a seller. So first of all, simply open up your eBay app and log in, or simply open up Chrome, then search for ebay.com. From here, click on this three-line menu bar in the top right corner, then sign in from here. After you've done that, you'll find this homepage. Again, click on this three-line menu bar in the top right corner. There, click on sell. After that, you'll find the list of your items if you have already listed them, or you could simply click on list an item. And once your listing is complete, in this section you'll find the list of your items. Simply click on the item where you want to add free shipping. After that, scroll down below. There you will find shipping services. Simply click on any one that you want based on your feasibility. Now right below shipping services, you can find who pays. So there are two parts, whether buyer pays or the seller pays. So if you want to offer free shipping, you will have to select seller pays. After that, click on save. Then your offered listing will show that the particular item has free shipping. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.